MeghalayaPost.news.
Namar kajing jelai ki Kam Sniew nadu ketu ketiem bat kajing Nongpoh udrox hakim lang salang khamtam hapo kasar Nongpoh menta kasngi kikli sinchar jangdar barchnong Nongpoh kibakan thup yuba Sylvester Mensong kumramba shnong samla Anthony Sucheng sekretari shnong lembagi dekat jangdar bar bat kaseng samla shnong Nongpoh tlalep yakundu you officer in charge jangdar Nongpoh police station banyak keren yang tigimat bat khamtam banyak keren ru halor kajingja syakendang kidukan kibalaja hakiri kisi belalej haba keren nak kaliang romba shnong Nongpoh ba Sylvester Mensong ula pentip nak kaliang darbar kelalej benbu iki Leit Kyrpad ha ketenat pulit jangdar Nongpoh bagian pej perman yang kini Kam Sniew nak Phah Pahara iki pulit mala Miet ha juga pol lo ya thuru nak kaliang darbar shnong Nongpoh Leit Kyrpad ru iki police department bakin jele ban wengno iki kali accident kibalashu e khongring ha kiserong service lane kebelawan ra ya kejingwet ha kaya keyeng
Orni nakaliang dal barsinong Nongpoh propar ni wan hangni hapo Nongpoh police station bani kendu ya orsi yang armarat ha bangi layo bani kren sepang lightly di kam di kam hangni hapo Nongpoh propar jongi te nangkong ni la yo bani kren ha bede baki night patrolling ha bangin bu yakini ki nang afira for map nomor kerja kejing satu dia tidukan hari ni di Laidong center gate upgate di bahasa zaman lah kepor hari ni naik ke belajar di wilayah kejing kersan hari osi baun ai ka jinyaram antaban patrolling kamtam berbeda berbeda surba nang ta kabar wilayah ni keren ru berbeda kali tiba lapen sange lapen yang hangkai la slemba dan kalian yo siru ila tular ban ai ke jingarap bala kunong yo ni keren batu SP atau bami misale itu benam bat kebalai ha bede bekene ke jing jaklia kanyut kanyer ke jing bread jung ni ki nong snong ke nong bukan di bede ni apa surok ya kini nomor bagador marsnong tan sependu no ya kini di dustbin nomor ba kalong ka isi ban page kamtam kabade haga main road dan nomor kata ila buru ke jing penbek lang rangkat dari osi hakriya dei bagane ka jingkit ya kini kinyut kinyar ki badai nagiyin ka kali snong kan sawan arsin sitayau hakane ka compound bandum ya kinyut kinyar ki bami nagiyin lisan ki bisong kuatar ni kini lightly di bangi ya iyo pada keren ila iyo ha kini keren gitu ya biang ha bari si bala ai kloi ini ban ai ke jirap khamtam bede ne ko dorbar snong Nongpoh propar
nakaleng OC ke Nongpoh UMR marak lo yathu bana kaleng ki pulit kila ile ban bodien yakini ki kam tu kam tim kablaja hakini khindiat sngi nak ba pulong ru ya kanai patrolling hakba kila yo ru ban bat ya kinong le Kam Sniew hakini kisi belalej
I'm thankful that the National has approached have come to meet me here. Actually, regarding your concern about the crime on the road and in Nongpoh area, this is our concern as well. We are also concerned about this rise in crime. So, regarding this, we have taken some steps like we have started our foot patrollings at night, all night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpoh town till the DC office, all these areas. And we have night mobile patrolling on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They will also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area. Another thing I want to inform you that on the night of 10th, we have apprehended some of the highway robbers. They are already in judicial custody. And then last night, again, we have another 3 highway robbers have been arrested. Now we are going to forward them to court. So these are the steps that we are taking to prevent crime in our area. Another thing that regarding the vehicles kept on the service lane. I have to discuss with my seniors, with DSP Traffic and SP sir, then I'll let you know what steps we can take to make convenient for the general public. Then another last issue that we have discussed is that regarding the waste collection and all. I'll intimate all the staff quarters who are staying in the quarter that the arrangement that you have made for the disposal of waste, like twice a week, vehicle will come and to collect the waste, and there will be some minimal charges for the vehicles maintenance or what can you say.
MeghalayaPost.news